We're gonna make cute stockings today, guys. What do you like in your stockings? Pepperoni, candy canes, or pizza, or cool, or pepperoni?
Hi guys, welcome back to Doodleville. We have a surprise for you, so make sure to stay until the end. Well, okay, let's get started. We need a paper and something to draw with, like a Sharpie, pencil, pen, etc. Okay, now let's get started. We're drawing a stocking. Okay. We're gonna start on the top. We're gonna do the little fluffy parts, the fluffy thing on the top, and you're just gonna draw humps, round, hump-like things. You can draw them bigger or small, all the way around, like that. Now we're gonna do the outline of the stocking. So we're gonna start right about there, and we're gonna come down a little bit inwards, and then we're gonna stop, and then we're gonna curve up to make the front of the foot thing, and we're gonna curve around and then curve back down. And now you're gonna start on the other side. When we start on the other side, we're gonna go slanted a little bit inward, and then we're gonna stop and then do the heel part, and then go in, and then we're gonna make a little one. We're actually in there, like that. Okay. Now we're gonna make the foot and the heel patch. Just gonna do a curved line in the front and the back. The thing you hang it on, you're gonna do a tear-shaped thing like that, and then draw another one inside so that you can hang it up and get that so handy. Oh boy. Now we're gonna do the stitches on the patches. You can draw them any length that you want. You can draw them small or bigger. And you're just gonna go across like that. And you're gonna do it on the other one too. Like so. And thank you guys. We are going to color, but make sure to stay all the way to the end for the surprise. And make sure to hit the subscribe button, like button, and notification bell. And yes, I'm hungry.
Surprise! So today, kids, the surprise is we are going to make our stocking a cute stocking, if you choose to. So if you do, we're going to make 2 big circles for the eyes, just like so. And then we're going to make 2 smaller circles inside of that big circle for the cute eyes. We're going to make a medium-sized one and a small one like that. And then do the same thing in the other one. And then we're going to color in black around those smaller circles, just like that. Now I realized that I did this way too late, and the inside of the circles are red. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to use my white oil pastel and color it in white inside of those circles at the very end. Next, I threw in some eyebrows and then a smile. I had my mouth open. You can make yours shut, open. You can have a tongue out. You can have a sad face or sad smile. Make it however you want. I did chubby cheeks with the open mouth and the tongue. And yeah. So, I don't know. What do you think? Do you guys think it looks cute? Krista's going to start her face, and she's doing a great job. And there I am coloring in my eyes with the white oil pastels. So yeah, and there you have it. That's the surprise. Hopefully you guys had fun making the stockings with us. Okay, and we're just going to finish up.
Oh, your stockings are really cute. I love them really much. They're so awesome, and I love them. Put your thumbs up, or put your thumbs down if you don't like it. Or click the video if you like the video. And I see you tomorrow in the name of science. Science.
In the name of science, that is just too much. But my 2-year-old and 4-year-old are having so much fun doing the voiceover for the outro. And we hope you guys had fun coloring and drawing your cute stockings. Let us know if you made the cute face or you decided to keep it the same down in the comments below. And we'll see you next time. Bye!